if the curved surface area of the two spheres are in the ratio of 1:4, the ratio of their volumes. Ratio of surface areas of the whole cube is equal to ratio of the volumes of the whole square. This is given as 1:4, that is 1:64, that is 1:8. Root of 1 is 1, root of 64 is 8. So answer is 1:8, that is multiple choice B. Question number 31. If the radius of the two spheres are in the ratio of 1:2, the ratio of their surface areas are. Ratio of surface areas. Ratio of surface areas is equal to 1:2 whole square. That is 1:4. That is 1:4. That is multiple choice C. Question number 32. If the radius of a cylinder is doubled and the height is halved, the ratio between the new and the old volumes is R. So write down. Assuming original values and height as R and H. Question number 32. Volume 1 is equal to pi r square h. Volume 2 is equal to pi into double and half. Double and half. One is to 2. This we have to reverse. That is 2 is to 1. That is 2 is to 1. So answer is 2 is to 1. That is multiple choice B. If each side of a cube is increased by 50%, the percentage increase in the volume is. Question number 33. Percentage increase in volume. They are asking percentage increase in volume. So percentage increase in volume is equal to 3x plus 3x square by 100 plus x cube by 100 square. X cube by 100 square. 237.5, 237.5, that is multiple choice D. Question number 34. If a cube of edge weighs 3 centimeters of iron weighs 12 grams, the weight of a similar cube of iron whose edge 12 centimeter will be of how many grams? So write down first step. Question number 34. Question number 34. Ratio of the edges of cubes. Ratio of the edges of cubes is given as 3:12. That can be reduced to 1:4. Ratio of the edges of cubes is given as 3:12. That can be reduced to 1:4. So ratios of their volume. Ratios of their volume. 1 cube is to 4 cube. 1 cube is 1, 4 cube is 64. So it is 64 times. So it is 64 times. So 12 multiplied by 64. It is 64 times. So 12 multiplied by 64. 64 into 12, 768. So answer is 768. That is multiple choice A. A reservoir 30 meters long and 50 meters broad is to be filled with water. How many gallons of water must be taken to lower the water level by 4 meters? So write down 1 cubic meter of water. First step, 1 cubic meter of water is equal to 180 gallons. 1 cubic meter of water is equal to 180 gallons. Is equal to 180 gallons. Volume of water lowered. Volume of water lowered. 30 into 15 into 4. That is 1800. That is 1800 cubic meters. So number of gallons taken out. Number of gallons taken out. 18 into 18, 324. Add 2 zeros. So much water has been taken out. So answer is A, 32. Three lakhs 24,000. 3,24,000. So answer is A. Question number 36. If one side of a cube is doubled, the volume of the corresponding cube is increased by. So write down first step. Ratio of edges of two cubes. Ratio of edges of two cubes is 1:2. So ratio of the volumes is equal to 1:8. That means 7 is the increase. 1 has become 8. That means 7 is the increase. So percentage wise it will become 700. They are asking percentage wise. So percentage wise it will become 700. So answer is 700. If the dimensions of a cuboid be reduced by 50%, the volume of the corresponding cuboid is reduced by how much percent? Question number 36. First step, dimensions of the ratio. 1:half, that is 2:1. First step, dimensions of the ratio. 1 is to half. It is nothing but all we can do like this. Volume 1 is to 1 by 8. Therefore reduction is equal to 1 minus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 fraction is how much percentage? First day I have given percentage and fraction. 7 by 8 fraction is 87.5%. 7 by 8 fraction is 87.5%. So answer is 87.5. That is multiple choice C. Question number 38. If 70 milliliter of paint is required for painting a surface area of 100 square centimeters, the print needed for painting a closed cylindrical drum with a radius of 5 meter and height 21 meter is how many milliliter? So write down first step. Total area of the cylinder. First step. Total surface area of the cylinder. Question number 38. Total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi into R plus H. Total surface area of the cylinder 2 pi into R plus H. 2 into pi value into 5 plus 21. This comes to 5720 by 7. Now, for 100 square meter, required paint is 70 ml. For 5720 by 7, how much paint is required? 572 ml is required. So answer is 572. That is multiple choice A. Question number 39. A conical solid vessel is made up of iron. Its base radius is 7 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. If the weight of the iron per cubic centimeter is 15 grams, the weight of the vessel is how much kg? So write down first step. Question number 39. First step. Volume of the conical vessel. Formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is 1 by 3 into pi value into radius is 7, so 49 into 15. This comes to 770 cubic centimeters. Therefore, weight is equal to 11.55. That is multiple choice A.